Welcome to the stream. We are back on more RPG Maker development. This time we are not working on the Twitch Plays game because I want to finish or tweak a little the game for the Game Maker Toolkit Game Jam. To be fair, I also wanted to add something more because it feels incomplete to me. It has a story, but I mean like extra wise. There's a lot to think about, but to be fair, I have already too many idea for projects now, and projects I'm working on as well. So maybe we could just tweak it in the future if I want to make a series or something. I thought it would be cool to make a roguelike out of this, you know, but not now. Definitely not now, thanks. Though I want to work on it a little more because there are a bunch of things to fix. First being the range of the bombs. And I'm not talking about the range itself, more like the one you see. Let's see if I can load a save. Damn, it's loud. Okay, you can see here. I place a bomb and that's it. It would be cool to see the range of the bomb I'm about to place, especially the range of the flames. Even better. That's totally possible because there's already a code that shows the range of explosions. To be fair, there's two different codes because at the last possible moment I was spaghetti coding. But let's see. Okay. So the idea would be to put a color on the bombs we are hovering, which also includes the bombs we are placing. Let's see. Our Bomberman plugin. So, let's see if the idea is simple. Maybe I should make some order, because I already implemented the range with the big flame explosion. Should be here, though again it's a little finicky, not the Pokemon, because only when it's a flame it refreshes the area of every bomb. We could make it, I think it's fine when I don't know. Though I don't know if we could relegate it to the global clock. So do I might want to move this one? At least change the condition. Though I feel like only I still want only the flame to show the range of explosion. Because it's the most unpredictable one, of course. Though I still want a way to show the range. Here, if it's a flame, it shows the animation. Though only when it gets ignited. We could do something different. When it's placed, it shows... Well, it's called animation, it's more like the range. And also I believe it comes in handy because it uses the same draw. Where is it? When you say spawn fire, if it's not ignited, it will instead... Where is it? Oh yeah, if it's not exploded, it will instead just put the area of explosion. So very convenient. So we may just want to call show animation of this when we place a bomb, or when you hover it. Though we need to remove it when we move away. How do we do it? Well, we can just call the thing we had here, right? They might have a lot of static functions, huh? Refresh flame area. No, this is a little different. Well, to be fair, we can just wipe the entire board. Like, where is it? Yes, this one. This one wipes the entire area. It removes everything in the third layer. If you notice here, I always leave the third layer empty. This one. It's the second one, actually. I always leave the second layer empty. So I can draw here whatever I want in game, which is, in this case, the range of the stuff. It's a trick I like. I wonder if I can draw in the fifth layer, though I believe I already tried and it will cause some issues. So, very unfortunate. Though we have this layer entirely at our disposal. So even better, we can make a... I believe this could also be an actual function here. Clear explosive area show, which it literally just does this. It doesn't reference anything inside the class, so I think it's fine. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Where was it? Damn. Aha, here, okay. Okay, and we just call it here when we stole it from. So it calls the thing that is here instead. What does this thing do? For each tile on the map, it draws nothing on top of it. So it basically clears everything. The power scaling is incredible. Let's see. Now that we have a function to clear it, we can just call... where is it? First, we may even want to work on this one. When we spawn the element... No, wait, that's another one. When we place the bomb. When we place here. We could, for example, have this dot show animation, right? No, wait. I believe it's the different one. I believe it's the same, actually. Let's see. What was it? The ignite. Yeah, the show animation. Let's see if it works. If we place a bomb, it should already draw the area of effect. Wait. No, it also works with the flames. Though you can see it works with the bombs. Oh yeah, you can't escape the flames. Only here. Also, though, it doesn't remove it. Also, it's blocked by rocks? Why? I should try later. Oh yeah, because it has 0 piercing power? No, wait. I don't get it. We're gonna see. First, how to avoid being destroyed by fire. We can do the condition here. Or even... we can do that the one that has spawned before, like the flames, do not trigger this. So, if this is a flame, if it's not, and it's an actual bomb, we show the animation. Okay, that should solve the issue. Let's see. You can see, though, I see the range is different from what I expected. What's with the range? What's with the range? What's with your range? What happened? I don't get what with the range. It should have an explode type cross and we draw a cross. Where is my cross? You. Oh, I don't get the issue. Maybe the... This range should already be set to a high value, right? Only one way to know. Let's keep the music from the game. Oh yeah. It's the music of the final level. Let's see, Bomberman. We go to... Pa-po. Pa-pa-po-po. On the draw cross. This one. What happens if I place a bomb? It stops here. Let's see. Looks fine. The range is 3. What's the issue? Does it crash maybe? Does the direction spread become... Yeah, it becomes false. It shouldn't, right? It's everywhere. Maybe there's a switch or something that happens before the battle starts. Let's try to see the fire spawn already. So, the direction spread. If the region ID is 1 of the coordinates, it should stop the spread, but it's not the case. Then there are other cases to stop the spread. I like this drop. Unfortunately, this drop is the same one, like from the same composer, and it has a similar theme of the final boss of Gibber Bubble. But it's not connected to the game. And, well, there's one connection, but it's just because it's set in the same time period. So people might think the games are connected. They are not really. Though they both mention as a character. Let's see. There is 0 toughness, so it cannot stop the direction spread. Ah wait, if I don't, if I don't spawn an event, it may think they didn't manage to place the explosion. I see the issue. Where is it? I should make some order here, but I believe I should make some order indeed. Though I believe it works either ways. We should move this one here actually, because here it tries to spawn the element, which if it explodes, it's the explosion animation. If it's not, we don't place anything and we just draw a tile. That means we need to put in the place the explosion animation here. And so move this one here as well. I believe we need all of this here, right? Because the extension over pits is only needed when we actually place the animation of the explosion. The one below is just to place the area of effect, which will always place under holes anyway. It will still stop if there is something that would actually stop the explosion. I believe that's it. Later we may want to put more type of colors. For now, let's see. It should work now. Damn! Spawn type not defined. It's here. Ah, this one. Ah, because spawn type is defined inside. We can just remove it. Right. Yeah, it's only code here. Okay. See? No issue. Okay, yeah, it's actually right. Look at this. Look at this. It doesn't get stopped by those, though. Wait, that's an issue, right? That's an issue. Because normally it will be blocked, but because it won't be able to spawn anything. Though here we're not spawning anything. Though I believe it's doable. We can just check the terrain tag. Like, we put one for the hole. We can put one, literally one for the block here. So we know if it's a 1, it will stop instantly. Let's see. If it's 3, extends over everything. But if it's 1, stops at blocks. And we will directly stop it already. Right here, right? Here we know it will stop. So we're gonna do a return. Not only we're gonna mention that it won't extend anymore. Let's see. We can do this. We also need to stop the direction spread on this direction. Regardless, unless it's a ghost bomb, if I want to do something like that. Okay, should be it. Wait, is the deer? The deer though is mentioned here. So that's an issue. Or we can pass the parameters as well, but I think we can. Or would be better to actually have it before, you know? Yeah, the spawn type should be better if it's mentioned here. The block should be mentioned before. Though, that means the direction spread is not mentioned here. So if it doesn't spawn anything, it's an issue. Because those are not defined. It should be checked after. Though if it's very well here. We could pass it as a parameter at this point. I think we can. Though we have spawn fire, spawn element. Why there's 2 of them? It's just confusing. I believe we can do something different, right? Like spawn fire here. We should rename this one differently. Oh, there's a lot of calling. There is a lot of calling here. I wonder if it can definitely be optimized, but I don't care enough. Never mind, we can do it differently. We're gonna keep it like this. But we probably are gonna include everything inside. Right, it's a little unclean though, but let's do it. So, first of all, here it checks if it exploded. It will stop at blocks regardless. We can put it here, I suppose. It would be better below, but at least it's grouped with the tags. I hope I didn't break anything. Okay. I should really put some notes here. Overall, though, it's fine. Let's see. I knew it! Yeah, because this one it's already included here. So this one is not necessary anymore. Okay. Yeah, and it stops. Look at this. It stops here. That's good. Okay, though It's Tez! So we need to... We want to show only one at a time. I believe it's for the better. And to do so, we just need to call this Clear Explosive Area Show. When do we call it? When we move the cursor, of course. Let's see. Select cursor. We have them here, so we may want to have a check. So let's see. Selection. No. Level, I suppose. Moved cursor here. If the move cursor is on, yeah, we turn it off, of course. And we want to call the function to clean everything. No, we also want to show the bomb, right? So when we place a bomb, let's see where. When you press OK, here we have preparation for spawn bomb. This will spawn the bomb. So we can just check there. Here. We place a bomb, we get the object. And it already draws it, right? So we don't need to do anything. Let's see. Wait. We don't trigger the switch though when we move the cursor. Then we can do it before we move, right? Let's see. Hey, look at this. It goes away. Okay, the other station now, if we hover them again, we won't see shit. So we go on to the next thing. When we move the cursor, we need also to check, after we clean, if there is a bomb on that place, and to show the range. How do we do it? I don't know. You tell me. No. Actually, no, I need to answer it myself. Luckily, we already have a function for that, to check if we place or remove a bomb. So we can just... I believe we can just copy this condition, right? Is bomb on that spot? Though this one removes it. This one directly removes it. No, we just want to check if there is a bomb. We may also want to rename it, huh? Though, we just need to get game map events event ID. Wait, does this one work better? Yeah, get bomb on the tile. So we can have like a function called and color bomb on the tile. Let's see. So we have bomb on the spot. We can do something similar. Function color bomb range in spot event ID. We do the same thing, except this time we call explosion bombs get bomb on the tile. The tile will be the cursor coordinates. Again, as we did above. Now, we need a step though, because this thing will only return the bomb object. Won't do anything. So we can just do show animation on that. And that should be enough. Let's see if it works. I hope... Wait, I didn't call the function. I believe I didn't. We just need to call color bomb range in spot. This event ID. And it should be enough. We don't even need to place anything. We can just go on the fire. Oh, come on! Wait! Even the big bomb has animation. No, wait. Undefined. Show animation. Did I save? Ah, wait, the bomb. I see. If it doesn't find anything, it crashes. But simple. If bomb, do bomb stuff. Let's see now. Nice. And yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Cool. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Oh, let me try with other bombs. Yeah. Oh wait. Okay. Oh, it also shows the pierce. That's awesome. Diagonal. Yes. Oh, look at this. The square. Useless, but okay. And the long. You're long. Wait. When we remove the bomb, it stays. We need to fix this thing. Should be simple. So, when we remove the bomb on the tile, we can just call. If we remove the bomb, we can just call the same thing. How was it? Clear explosion area show. Let's see. Look at this. I remove the bomb, and the area goes away. Just one thing. Wouldn't it be cool if the big bomb showed every tile? Though I believe it's kinda hard because it will go below. Oh, wait. No, I think it will go above walls. Would be cool if it colored everything though. Oh yeah, that's cool. And it was actually simple to make. We only took 30 minutes. Look at this! Magic! Isn't this magical? Okay. Anything else? Well, we should have tested it. Like when we start, maybe it will not delete. I'm pretty sure it doesn't delete. Let's see. Oh yeah, it doesn't. Damn! Something crashed. On spawn fire. I suppose we messed up a little on the thing here. 196. The type is not defined. Huh? What is it supposed to be? XY. Ah, the spawn type, you mean? Ah, because it's passed as with a different name, I see. Okay, simple. I believe that's enough. Since we're at it, we should delete the thing when we confirm. Which is again simple. When we trigger the button to start, we just clear the area. Let's see, place 1, 2, go. And it removes, cool. And now we are dead. Anyway, it works. Huh. Someone else also mentioned we may want a different I don't know, we want to see a different type of color if the bomb is more recent. But to be fair, I find it a little hard. It's possible, but I don't know how... if it's important or not. I believe a little at least, but... how do we manage it? When we... Yeah, when with a flame we color something new, we may want also to redraw the old ones. Is there something to redraw everything? I think I did it. Should be. I believe I made one. Refresh flames area, this one. Which clears everything. And it draws everything. So the cooler way would be to order them based on time left. and then cover on top of them the ones that are about to explode. Let me try. First, let me remember how to order them. A sword, right? I swear, I don't remember. B or F as flame. Where... Oh, wait, no, there was a subtraction to make, right? How was the thing? A, B? Where A minus B or whatever. Hey. How was it? Timer. What do we need to count? The current time. A current time minus B current time. I never remember how it works. Should we just try from the console? I think it's better. Oh, come on. Not a function. Well, we know it doesn't work. How does it work? Let's see. Sort! It's sort! Why does... It's not even uppercase. What do you want? Explosion bombs, bombs container, dot sort. Ah, it sorts it automatically, to be fair. We can... Though, no, it's an object, though. Not... An object is harder to order. Let's see. Still sort, so I don't know why it says it doesn't exist. Let's see. Let me show you as well, sure. Yeah, we can... Here it is. Literally what I did! It's literally what I did! Am I suddenly not using JavaScript? I don't know. So I suppose what it does is... If it's positive, it's... I don't know. Ah, yeah, it compares everyone case by case and it orders them like this. I don't know. Still, what did I mess up? Bomb container is an array, right? A map, damn! Ah, yeah, it's a map. What now? Why did I make a map? Oh yeah, to store them. Order objects in map, maybe? Can we just convert a map in an array temporarily? And order the array? Map to array? From? Not what I wanted, but... we can try it, though. Array from... No, that's not what I was saying, but... You just confused me. Array from. Okay, never mind. It's just array from. Okay. Array from map and I get the stuff. Okay. Like this then? You're telling me it works. Supposedly seems to work. Let's try. We don't have any bomb to sort though. Oh, come on! Not a function. It didn't... But before I tried and it didn't crash. Well, it's empty, but I don't think it's the case. I don't think it's the issue. I can just do the spread. Like this, right? Please work. It's very awkward, but should do. I believe it works. Let's try it. Oh, I believe it could work. I don't know in which order it's ordered though. But now, since we can order them in one way or the other, they should be from the lowest to the higher, right? Which is perfect. The one that is about to explode will be higher. We should make a subtraction of the actual explosion time, but I believe for the flames it's always 2 seconds. So, we can do, when we refresh the time, it's only when we apply bombs. Though we kinda want it every second, right? For now, let's see. We don't even need to sort. Well, no, we need to sort. Let's see. We got to show animation. And here we draw something. We can make an extra thing where if the bomb is about to explode. So let's see. Tile color by default is 309. But if this delay, no wait, it was delay, wait, current time I believe, is more or equal to 60 frames, then the tile color will be different. We can make the one before, it's a little weird, but we can make 308. And let's see what happens. And we apply it here. Should be enough actually. We should try it in the level that actually happens this in the solution for the coin. So here it will just explode. Wait. Here. It will explode them one after another. It did not! It did not! It's a scam! Let me see again what's the value for increasing the timer. Tick bombs. Tick down with just add current time, which is what we were checking. Did we? No, we didn't. No, we didn't. No, actually we did, never mind. Okay, yeah, better. Why did it not do anything? Maybe it was like around that value? Let me try with a much lower value then. Maybe it got triggered around 59 or something, I don't know. Weird though, it should all be timed. Should it though? Still no. Also I saw something wrong. Yeah. Why there? Ah, no, it's fine. This one is already colored. Also, should have a different color for the starting point, right? Though it's cool. It's cool seeing like this. Though, yeah, I should change the color of the starting explosion as well. Though, why am I not spawning this other tile? Is it a different color? I want to use another one above. This one is already used, but what do I use? I will add it later. We can add those, sure. For trying. Here. Wait, why did it not appear? Where's my tile? Ah, it's on the second layer. It got wiped. Never mind. We need to start, otherwise... I placed my free bomb there, but here we are. It's kinda loud. Be quick. Para-para-para-para-pero. 275. Let's try with this. Yeah, I already forgot I had the free bombs you can place around. It wasn't implemented in the game. Let's see now. Still no? Also, more errors. Did I do anything? Is flame is not a function. Huh? It is actually. 352. Wait, did you not find a flame? Oh wait, is it because I took them out of the array? No, but... Maybe it lost every class capability, I don't know. How do we do this? I really want to sort them. Well, we could actually... We can sort them which... I can sort them by type. Well, divide them by type. Like, I will keep this. Not sort them. And here we have the flames that are about to explode. That are just ignited. And here are the flames that were already ignited. So we need also to put a condition. And flame current time is less or equal than 2, I would say. And here, if it's more or equal than 50, I would say. We need to put a check here though, to see if there is how many there are with this condition. Also, I should make some order here, but overall it works. Overall. Yeah, because we check the current time. And we change the tile color, theoretically. I still don't know what happens. We may want to check it. That's what I am about to do, yeah. Yeah. Let's see. So we want to put a stop on line 100... No, wait, much lower. Here. This one and this one. When we refresh the flames area. Right now. No, this is for drawing across. We don't need it. Gah! Only now? You're a little late, you know. Oh damn, I have the bomb that are about to explode. And now here. I believe it will, right? It actually does? It's a little weird though. Let's do it without stopping. Never mind. Though it does trigger after the bomb explodes. Maybe the condition should be elsewhere. Yeah, because it needs to update the other bombs. Maybe it happens every second or something. We should call when we draw a flame area. I hope it doesn't get too complex with this though. When we call the tiles plugin, we may want to draw the flames again. If it's not, if we are still preparing, no flame will be ignited, so it's perfect. Okay. This should do actually. Let's see. Oh, come on! Yeah, my bad. I should reference the class. Okay. And here we see it happened, right? Huh? It also made a big lag for a moment. I suppose it called itself. Oh yeah, because when you draw a flame, you call the thing to draw every flame already. Damn. Okay, then it's an issue. Then it should be when you spawn a flame, not when you draw it. Though, yeah, no, it's no, but when you, yeah, maybe then you don't need to draw a flame, right? We can do this. When we ignite a flame, instead of showing the animation, we call refresh flame area, which will include show animation. This won't cause issues. Damn, we got a pretty big lag. And go, my flames. Yes, okay. We can see the older area of the flames now. That's cool. Though, there's an issue, right? Because it only becomes redder if another flame is triggered. It's a little inconsistent. Because if I put a cherry bomb here, I said cherry bomb here. It does not change color. It does not change color. Because nothing triggers the change after a while. We could do something like this again when the tick down reaches halfway. Only for the flames. If this, I hope I'm not exaggerating here, but is flame. And this current time is equal to halfway. Only equal, not before or not after. We refresh the flame area. Which means we can safely say we color it differently only when it's above 60. And that should be it. We should also sort them better at the end, maybe. Pa, pa, boom. Okay. Let's go. Let's see if it works. I believe it will. I thought it was very hard, but actually I made it no issue. Kinda. Yeah, perfect. Look at this. Also, I'm dead. Wait, when you die, it doesn't clean everything. Why? It should clean every flame. Oh well. That was a temporary bomb which was not implemented, so it's not an issue. For now. I still want to change the color of this. To be fair, that's a prefab, right? So it works differently. This was a little hard-coded, but I believe it might work as well. How do we make it? A temporary one at least. This one even. It will go above it, even. Look at this. Look at this. I, of course, need to change a different color, but... No, it works. This one has a weird shape, huh? This one too doesn't go anywhere, huh? Wait, look at this one here, huh? Oh, wait, can we do a contest of the smallest area for a bomb? Wait, the smallest? Could be surrounded around those, near a rock even, if it's possible. No, it works. It works pretty well. That's nice. Okay, to be fair, that was the main issue I wanted to fix. I just need to find colors for every of those. But overall should be fine. Now you know what? This should be red. Because we won't have anything about to explode when we prepare, right? Right. Too bad this one uses a different code, but as long as it works. Okay. You know what? I believe I may even want to stop a little early. Much earlier, actually. I only streamed 1 hour, but I don't know. Developing on stream is a little tiring. I don't know how. I don't know how I made this one for 4 days in a row in a 3-hour stream every time. Don't ask me, I don't know. Though, at least we have something decent now. I could make an update for the game and maybe later consider about... No, to be fair, I don't think I will make any other secret ending or stuff for the game. Though I definitely want to make a longer game for Steam, but I see no sense. I don't know, I like the project, but I don't want to extend it now. It will stay there for the future. As every other game. Damn. Though at least now I plan to stream 1 extra time on Sunday instead of Freedom Paradise to develop something for Invalidate. Let's see if we can manage something. Please. Okay. Can we rate someone? Let's see. Oh, we have plenty of people here. We can raid Queen of Pockets. Sure. Queen of Pockets it is. Okay. That's everything for today. Tomorrow? I don't know what we do tomorrow, to be fair. What do we do tomorrow? Wait. I don't know. I kinda slow down on Wikipedia, to be fair. To be fair, I don't know. Something, or maybe even not a stream. I don't know. I don't know. I will let you know on Discord, though, if you want. Wait, does the Discord command work now? We have 2 Discord. And the other one is Discord Games, right? Yes, okay, I have 2 Discords. I should label them better, but I have one for the streams and the other for my games. To be fair, the first one for the streams is also for game developers. The second is for one only game developer. Me. That's why it's empty. I'm working on it, okay. Thanks a lot, and we'll see ya whenever it happens.